Finally, ladies and gentlemen, the BJP's Bhopal candidate Sadhvi Pragya has proved to be their biggest embarrassment for the BJP. Tonight, her comment insulting 2611 martyr Hemant Karkare has been withdrawn.
लेकिन मैंने कहा तेरा सर्वनाश होगा। इतनी यातनाएं दी, इतनी गंदी गालियां दी जो असहनीय थी मेरे लिए। मैंने कहा तेरा सर्वनाश होगा।
तो मैं बिल्कुल अपना बयान वापस लेती हूँ और क्षमा भी चाहती हूँ कि हमारे बयान से कभी भी हमारे दुश्मन, देश के दुश्मन खुश न हो।
कहने के लिए साध्वी प्रज्ञा has also apologized saying अगर किसी को ठेस पहुंची है, अगर किसी को फायदा ना हो, she's looking at it politically. She's not withdrawing her words. She is not actually apologizing. So then everywhere people should ask why the BJP is supporting the insult of a 2611 martyr. You have no ground to stand on today. You should also apologize for now continuing to support Sadhvi Pragya. You said nation first, Rashtra Sarvopari. I didn't force you to. You said it. And your party's candidate is celebrating the fact that Pakistanis killed Hemant Karkare. Which side are you on? You know, you have nothing to say today. That's why you are quiet. You are actually continuing to support Sadhvi Pragya. And you talk of nationalism after this. After this, you want to talk of nationalism. और साध्वी प्रज्ञा जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। पहले तो आप मेरे साथ लाइव इस इंटरव्यू के लिए आई हैं, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मुझे पता है कि आप इस वक्त बहुत व्यस्त हैं। मध्य प्रदेश में चुनाव प्रचार चल रहा है, सब लोग आपको सुनना चाहते हैं, मगर आपने आज चुनाव प्रचार के काम को थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़कर आप हमारे साथ लाइव हैं। There is nothing heroic about making Sadhvi Pragya the BJP candidate from Bhopal, so please, BJP supporters, please chill. The fact is that she remains an accused in terror cases, and then there are charges against her pending under UAPA. This is serious. I have with me someone who's been her lawyer and is also from the BJP, senior lawyer Mahesh Jethmalani. Please tell me, she is yet an accused, is she not? Is her qualification to be a parliamentarian the fact that she is an accused in the Malegaon case? The fact is people were killed in the Malegaon case and she is an accused. So therefore she is accused of killing people. She is charged for charges as heinous as criminal conspiracy, and I'm sorry to say this today, Mahesh Jethmalani, I think you have no argument tonight. Murder! साध्वी प्रज्ञा जी नमस्कार, मैं अर्नब बोल रहा हूँ। आपकी बड़ी जीत के लिए आपको बधाई हो।
हरिओम,
आपको बधाई हो। There are charges of murder framed against her. She's also has charges framed against her under the Explosive Substances Act. By this logic, tomorrow, if somebody gives Zakir Naik a ticket, क्या बीजेपी बर्दाश्त करती अगर विपक्ष ने जाकिर नायक को आईपीसी और यूपीए के तहत आतंकवाद भड़काने के आरोपी हैं, उनको टिकट दिया होता? अब चिल्लाते क्यों नहीं आप? ये टेबल पे मार मार के जवाब क्यों नहीं दे रहे? Don't you dare compare Sadhvi Pragya to Hafiz Saeed. No, please stop it. Apologize for the insane comparison you made there. अगर बीजेपी को 2019 एक धर्म युद्ध नहीं बनाना था, तब 8.8 करोड़ पार्टी के सदस्यों में से एक मालेगांव ब्लास्ट के आरोपी को क्यों चुना गया? That is my fundamental question, please. The fact is, paragraph 78 of para 122 of the bail order of Sadhvi Pragya, it is said, and I quote, there is no material on record to prove any prima facie case against the applicant. And yet these people bandy around and say, Sadhvi Pragya terrorist? Because you are arguing that Sadhvi Pragya has been given a clean chit. It is only because everyone who submitted statements against her subsequently retracted. Can you rule out Sudhanshu Trivedi a political hand in witnesses turning hostile? There is prosecution witness number 79 who initially claimed that Sadhvi Pragya was part of a meeting in Bhopal where it was decided that revenge must be taken against Muslims. He later retracted this statement before a magistrate saying, I have not attended this meeting. You want me to give you the example of more witnesses who have retracted their statement, Sudhanshu Trivedi? आप मेरे सवाल का जवाब बिल्कुल नहीं दे रहे। 19 witnesses hostile क्यों हो गए? The people who supported Burhan Wani are today the same people who are against Sadhvi Pragya. I find this very strange. 28 days after she insulted 2611 martyr Hemant Karkare, she has called Mahatma Gandhi's assassin a patriot. My first question is Naveen Chomal. Tomorrow if somebody says that Yaqub Memon, who was the mastermind of the 1993 Mumbai blast, which killed 257 people, is a patriot, and then later says, उप्स क्षमा कर दीजिए, किसी के मन को अगर मैंने जो बोला उससे ठेस पहुंची है तो मैं माफी मांगती हूँ. Which means she says उनको अपने से कोई माफी नहीं मांग रही है वो. She does not feel sorry for what she has done. She says अगर आपको ठेस पहुंची है तो मैं माफी मांग रही हूँ. इसमें बहुत अंतर है. There's a difference between the two.
हाँ जी, अर्णव जी.
आपको बधाई हो.
हमारा कहना बिल्कुल साफ है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कहना बिल्कुल साफ है. प्रज्ञा सिंह जी ने कहा, वो उन्होंने साफ कर दिया कि उनका निजी बयान है.
दीपक जी, कल कोई निजी तौर पे कुछ भी बोल दे, निजी तौर पे गाली करे, निजी तौर पे कोई मर्डर कर दे किसी का, तो आप बोलेंगे वो निजी तौर पे मर्डर किया है, उसके पार्टी के साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ये क्या लॉजिक है? इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस टू मी.
नहीं, हम उनसे बात करेंगे कि उन्होंने
करेंगे. देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन हर बैकिंग द किलर ऑफ गांधी. She has insulted Hemant Karkare. She says I demolished Babri Masjid. I am proud of it. She has said I want a ban on burqas. आप कितने चीजों से कहेंगे पार्टी की पॉलिसी नहीं है. My view on this is very simple. साध्वी प्रज्ञा has crossed the line too many times.
आप साध्वी प्रज्ञा के खिलाफ ना बोले. आप हद पार कर रहे हैं.
बोलने की बात जो होती है करनी भी पड़ती है. Pakistanis killed an IPS officer. Your party candidate says she was celebrating when Pakistanis killed an IPS officer of this country.